here's exactly how you can run Facebook ads in 2026 profitably. And what I'm going to do in this video, I'm going to walk you through it from start to finish so you guys can see exactly how I set up all my Facebook ad campaigns and how I can be profitable on the very first day. So this is going to be the exact same strategy that I use for every single launch. And if you haven't seen my last video where I did a dropshipping challenge using AI, if you haven't watched it yet, go and watch it. But the very first day we launched that product, we did $340 in revenue. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do that specific setup. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing you want to do is come to Facebook Ads Manager once you're here. And if you don't have this already, it's going to ask you to sign in, and you just create one. Just follow the steps. And once you're in, this is the page that it's going to end up on. Then you want to come to the sidebar here, hit campaign. Then you're going to be in your ad account. So this is the ad account. And so let me just delete this here so you guys don't get confused. But this is what your ad account should look like. It should be very clean. No campaigns or anything's going to be launched. The next thing you're going to want to do is come to create, go to sales, hit continue. Rename this to sales campaign. That's what I'm going to do. You can name it whatever. It doesn't really matter. From there, you just want to come to campaign budget, set it at a $50 a day. So minimum you want to spend $50 a day. If you do any less than that, it's just the chance of you finding a winning product are very, very slim. So I recommend minimum do $50 a day. From there, you just want to hit continue, pretty much hit next. Then from here, you just want to call this one video ad set. From there, you just want to click website. So just click website. Then you want a maximum number of conversions. Then you just want to select your pixel. So this is very important. You have to select purchases here. If you don't select purchases here, then you're never going to get a sale. So whoever tells you to run add to cart campaign or whatever, they probably have never run Facebook ads in their life. So like make sure you select purchase here. So purchase. And then this thing's going to pop up. That's fine. It happens if you don't have a sale yet on the pixel. So that's completely fine. Just ignore that. Keep this as standard. Then you want to launch this for the next day. So in this case, the 24th. Then you just want to hit the back button. So it starts at midnight the next day. Then from here, you want to just add the top 5 countries, which are Canada, Australia, New Zealand, United Kingdom, and United States. So once you have those added there, then you just want to hit continue. Just go to the next one here. And then from here, you just want to name this ad 1 or video 1 or ad 1, whatever you want to do, just as long as you know which ad it is. So in this case, ad, you just want to select the page that you're going to run this off of. Just keep this use Facebook page. That's fine. Remind me later on that one. Then you want to do manual upload, single image or video. Then you want to just turn the multiple advertising ads off, so you don't want to keep or turn that on. From there, you want to do website. Here you want to put in your product page website, not your home page, your product page. Then from there, then you're going to hit upload, set up creative. Then from there, you're just going to hit next. And then from here, you're just going to hit upload and upload all your videos. In my case, I already did that, so I'm going to just go hit add 1, just going to hit continue. So it's going to ask you to write primary text and headline. So what I want you to do is go back to Facebook Ad Library, search up your competitor. So you're just going to come back to Facebook Ad Library, find your competitor, copy their headline, and then go back to ChatGPT and then tell it to rewrite this primary text for your specific product, and then just give it a bit of context on exactly what your product does. Like, again, it should be from your competitor, so it shouldn't be an issue, but yeah. So then it's going to rewrite the whole thing. As you guys can see here, what you're going to do is you're just going to copy this whole thing, hit copy, come back to your ads manager here, and then just paste it in here. And then you're going to go back to ChatGPT and you're going to say, now write me some headlines for this specific product. So as you guys can see, I did the exact same thing here. And then you just want to choose one that you like the best. I like this one where it's healthier hair starts in the shower, because the product I'm selling is a shower head. So it makes a lot of sense, and people would be like, why? And then they would go to my store and they can figure it out from there. So let's go back to here, just paste that in here. And then you just want to go to the call to action, and you want to just go to shop now and then hit done. Once you're done with that, then the hard part is pretty much done. As you guys can see, we got our first ad here. Everything's uploaded nicely, and the rest pretty much all stays the same. Doesn't matter. It says your pixel's not active. It doesn't matter. It's going to be active once you get your first ad to cart or whatever. So just ignore that. So that's pretty much how you set up your first ad. So once you have that, as you guys saw, I had 5 video ads. So what I'm going to come do here, what I'm going to do is come back to ad here, and I'm going to hit duplicate. I'm just going to do original setup. I'm going to duplicate this 4 more times. So that way we can test all 5 of our ads and then see which one performs the best. And then from there, we can make a decision if you want to scale or kill it. So just come to edit each ad. Then you're just going to rename this ad 2, ad 3, 4, 5. Okay. And then just hit save to draft. And then it doesn't matter. We'll fix all of that yet. But then you're going to come up here, just close this for now, it doesn't matter. So now let's just come to add 2 here on the side, just click on add 2. Then you're just going to hit edit media, change video. You're just going to go next again. And then you're just going to select add 2 because this is add 2. Just hit next, next. And as you guys can see, this is all in here. So just leave it the exact same. Just hit done. And then you just want to do this for all of your ads. So yeah, just make sure you change all of these for your ad. Like just make sure they match. So ad 3 is an ad set 3. So, or an ad 3, sorry. And then yeah, just pretty much just do this for all 5 of them. Once you have that done, and now what you want to do is now you want to come and duplicate the ad set. So where it says video ad set, you want to duplicate that. Hit duplicate here, keep an original setup, just duplicate once. And so what you're going to do from here is you're going to just name this image. So in my case, I'm just going to do I, because that's how I name my images. And then you're going to come to ad sets here, and then just up top here, and then you're just going to hit edit each ad. So now that I just renamed these, I'm just going to hit save to draft. And then I'm going to just do the exact same thing here. Again, this is not going to pop up on yours, so don't worry about that. So what you want to do here is keep everything the exact same. The only thing you're going to change is you're going to come down to creatives, and you're just going to delete this. And then you're just going to hit add media, add image. Just hit continue, and you want to do the exact same thing we just did for our videos. So you're just going to have image 1, image 2, image 3, image 4. You're just going to select it, hit next, 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 and the primary text and everything just stays the same. And then you're just going to do that for all of them here. And once you have that done, give me 1 second, I'll quickly do this. All right, now that all of them are done, we're going to just hit publish. So in your case, you're just going to hit publish. Once published them, I'm going to show you exactly how this looks. So in this case, I haven't published this because I don't want this campaign to run, but this is how it should look. So in your, you're going to have 1 sales campaign, then you're going to come to ad set. You're going to have your video ad set, and you're going to have your image ad set. So if you go into videos, you're going to have your 5 videos in here. And if we go to images, you're going to have your 5 images in here. The very simple setup. And once you have this done, just make sure you hit review and publish. Once it's all published, then let it run for a couple of days. And then if you get sales, then you can start scaling it. But if you don't, then you need to restart or see what the problem is. That's how I set up all my campaigns. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comments and I'll answer them. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this helped, and I'll see you in the next one.